this is Chuck. A common question I receive is, how do I decide what personal injury attorney I should hire? There's a lot of different criteria that you could consider. First of all, experience. You would want somebody that has a number of years of experience. Does the person have over 20 years experience at handling personal injury cases? A second criteria is, what is the major focus of their practice? If you're seriously injured in a car accident, a medical malpractice case, a work injury, you want somebody that the vast majority of their practice is handling those type of cases. For example, if you have a heart condition, you're going to want to see a cardiologist. You're not going to want to see your family doctor to deal with a serious medical issue. If you have a bad problem with your car, you're going to want to get a mechanic that specializes in that type of automobile. You're not going to want to just go to your gas station and get anybody who is working behind the counter. Another criteria is, has the individual written a book in that area? A book is important to show the expertise of the attorney, and it's also important to show that they can explain and communicate with you as a client. A fourth criteria I think that's important to consider is, do you like this person? Do you trust this person? And is this the individual that's going to handle your case? We often find that there's sometimes a bait and switch. You might originally meet with one attorney, but the person actually handling the case is a younger associate or somebody that's really not that familiar with the case. So there's a lot of different criteria that you should consider when looking for the best personal injury attorney to handle your case.